Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to seamlessly integrate System.io with Stripe to streamline your online payment process. By combining the robust features of System.io's platform with the secure payment processing capabilities of Stripe, you'll be able to accept payments from your customers quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, log into your System.io account using the link in the description and navigate to the Settings section. From there, select the Payment Methods tab. Now, click on the Connect Stripe button. You'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have an account already. Once logged in, authorize System.io to connect with your Stripe account by following the on-screen instructions. This will allow System.io to process payments on your behalf securely. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to your System.io dashboard where you'll see that Stripe has been successfully connected as a payment method. Next, you'll need to set up your products or services in System.io that you want to sell using Stripe. Navigate to the Products or Services section in your dashboard and create your offerings. When setting up your products or services, make sure to select Stripe as the payment method. You can then specify the price, description, and any other relevant details. Once your products or services are set up, you're ready to start accepting payments through Stripe via System.io. Your customers will be able to make purchases seamlessly and you'll receive payments directly into your Stripe account. And there you have it. With System.io integrated with Stripe, you can provide a smooth and secure payment experience for your customers while managing your online business with ease. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try System.io for free.